A price chart is a sequence of prices plotted over a specific time frame. In statistical terms, charts are referred to as time series plots. On the chart, the y-axis, vertical axis, represents the price scale and the x-axis, horizontal axis, represents the time scale. Prices are plotted from left to right across the x-axis, with the most recent plot being the furthest right. The price plot for GE extends from August 24, 2018 to August 24, 2021. Technicians, technical analysts and chartists use charts to analyze a wide array of securities and forecast future price movements. The word security refers to any tradable financial instrument or quantifiable index such as stocks, bonds, commodities, futures, or market indices. Any security with price data over a period of time can be used to form a chart for analysis. While technical analysts use charts almost exclusively, the use of charts is not limited to just technical analysis. Because charts provide an easy-to-read graphical representation of a security's price movement over a specific period of time, they can also be of great benefit to fundamental analysts. A graphical historical record makes it easy to observe a security's performance over a period of time, whether it's trading near its highs, lows, or in between, as well as the effect of key events on its price.